Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. If you're on the lookout for a dessert recipe which is completely sugar free, you've clicked the right video. You're diabetic or you want to avoid the sugar completely, so this is the recipe for you. Today I'm making a trifle where I'm using sugar substitute products or a natural product for this trifle. So let's go and make it happen. So first I took a 8x8 glass dish, and then I'm arranging these sugar-free vanilla cookies, and they are made with a Splenda. You can substitute with any sugar-free cake or sponge as well for this recipe. So after arranging that, I will top it off with the fruit cocktail, which again is sweetened with the Splenda. So I'll arrange all those fruit on top of the cookies, and then I'll put this dish on the side. And then I'll take a large mixing bowl, and then I'm adding some milk in there, and I'm using 1% milk. And then I'll be adding some chocolate fudge jello sugar-free instant pudding. So I will just follow the package instruction. I'll add the instant pudding powder in there, mix thoroughly, and then beat until the pudding gets completely thickened. After that, I am taking sugar-free Cool Whip, and then I'll add a half of this container into this pudding mixture with a very light hand. With the help of spatula, I'll fold this Cool Whip into this pudding mixture until it's completely mixed up. Then I will pour this pudding mixture on top of our prepared dish, which is a cookie and a fruit, and then I'll smooth the top with the spatula until it turns into a single layer. Now you can use any other flavor as well. There are very different flavors available in sugar free as well. Then I'll take rest of the Cool Whip and then make a creamy on another layer of a cream on top. Now you can decorate it with some sugar-free chocolate syrup or candies as well. I'll just make the spiky kind of a look with the help of spatula to make it look more attractive. So again, if you're avoiding sugar at all, this is the right recipe for you guys. I made this when my uncle and aunt were visiting me. They don't eat sugar at all in any form. So I made this for a dinner party and they completely enjoyed it. So if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Or if you guys make any other sugar-free desserts, please let me know in the comment as well. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.